Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be taking a look at some cases right here from PITAKA for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now, Hector, get out of here. I'll tell you, that guy is always trying to pop up in my videos. But if you are someone who is looking for that maximum protection when it comes to your Galaxy S25 Ultra, well, I'll tell you right now, these are not going to be the cases for you. But if you're someone who doesn't even like using a case on your phone, or maybe you just want something that is not so bulky but still going to provide your device some decent protection, well then these could possibly be the cases for you. You know, PITAKA has always been known for their super thin cases, and I'll tell you right now, this tactile woven case, I mean, it is absolutely beautiful in both of these colors right here. It looks great. So these are both the same exact cases, just coming in two different colors. And then we also have their MagSafe phone ring holder as well, coming in the same color of each one. So I'll go ahead and set the ring holders to the side for now. Let's go ahead and get these boxes open. Look at that. This is going to be the unboxing experience here with both of these cases. And we got to start off with this blue right here. This blue is absolutely beautiful. I mean, if you know me, you know that my favorite color is blue. So I can't get over how good this blue looks. Let's see, we got a piece of paper right here. Let's get that out of there. There we go. We'll bring over my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let's take a close look at the blue right here. So look at this. I really like what they did with the camera cutouts here. They did it right. I don't really like, to be honest, I don't like when they do the whole cutout all the way around. It kind of looks like a P or whatever, or they kind of go this way and just, it's like just a one big cutout rather than individual cutouts. To me, this just looks so much better, and you're getting more protection, you know, in between the lenses and around and all that good stuff. So look at how good this case looks. A little bit of PITAKA branding down there at the bottom. Of course, this is MagSafe compatible there, which we will test out in a bit with their magnetic accessory. But let's go ahead and throw it on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Got a nice little click there when we put it on, and look at how good that looks on the S25 Ultra right there. Absolutely beautiful. It definitely does not add any bulk to your device. Very, very minimum, as you can see right there. So like I said, this is going to provide you the minimum of protection for your Galaxy S25 Ultra. It probably won't survive any, you know, major drops, but if you have a light drop, it might protect it. Definitely will protect it from any scratching. But look at the camera lenses in the back. We're definitely getting some good protection there for those three camera lenses, and it is a bit of a deep cutout as well. Not super deep, but deep enough to where if you set your phone down on a flat surface or maybe accidentally drop it like that, you're getting enough lift on those three individual lenses right there to where they shouldn't touch any flat surface. Now you're probably looking at these two openings right here. They are pretty much flush with the back of the case. But since this camera lens protection right here is protruding out a bit, it is lifting up this part of the phone from here to here. So either way, these two right here are not going to touch any flat surface. But look at how good that is. Now going over to the right, we do have an opening there for the power button and the volume rocker, so no protection there. But if you look in this angle right here, you can see that there is still some lift. If you look at this side and then this end right here, if it accidentally drops like this, let's see, it doesn't seem to be pressing the power button down or anything. So it's just very, very little lift right there, but those that power button and those volume rockers should not touch any flat surface. And then going to the top, got a precise cutout for the microphones, nothing over here to the left. And let me tell you that this actually has a very nice texture in the back. Really soft to the touch, feels great in the hand. Going down to the bottom, got precise cutouts for the charging port, USB Type-C, the microphone, the speaker, and then the S Pen as well, which is very easy to get to, as you can see right there. And yeah, just overall super thin case, feels super, super good in the hand. And yes, it is also screen protector friendly. As you can see there, I am using a screen protector. Not sure if you can tell here on camera. Yeah, look at that. So as you can see, I am using a screen protector. So this is screen protector friendly. Let's go ahead and bring over their MagSafe phone ring holder right here. Let's see, how can I get this open? Okay, so I have to open it from the bottom there. And here we go. So this is going to be the blue color right here. Look at that. So you got a little bit of the blue color. The rest of it is going to be black. But let's go ahead and stick it in back of the device there. So I guess you kind of use it like this, kind of like a pop socket to prevent the phone from falling out of your hand. But let's see how strong this magnet is. So it looks like, okay, there we go. Definitely have to use a lot of force to, there we go, to get that phone to fall off. So definitely a strong magnet there. As you can see, it's definitely going to take some force to get it off of there. So very, very nice there when it comes to that MagSafe in the back. And this is a nice little accessory too. And when you put this down, so you can see there, it will add a little hump to the back, but you know, you don't have to use it if you don't want to, but it is there for those who like to use magnetic accessories and you want something that's going to work as a pop socket. So nice little accessory there. Now, one thing I forgot to show is the protection that we're gonna get for the display in the front. Now, if you look at each corner, we're getting a little bit of lift on each corner there. Now, do keep in mind, I do have a screen protector on, so it won't look as deep because of course the screen protector is coming up a little bit as well. But even with the screen protector, you can still see some of that lift that we are getting in the corner. So if you happen to put your phone down on a flat surface, slide it around, maybe have a light drop on its face, it should give it just enough lift to where that display doesn't hit any flat surface. But will it stay secure on your device with any fall? There's a chance it might pop up. I mean, when you put the case on, it definitely feels like it's nice and secure on the device itself. So you can see you have to put a little bit of force to pop it off. And in order to get it off, let's see. Yeah, you really have to put some force. And you kind of have to use your finger to push on the camera lens to get it off just like that. So definitely a nice secure fit on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. But like I said, it's not meant to give your device, you know, that maximum protection when it comes to your S25 Ultra, but it's definitely going to look good, definitely going to feel good in your hand, and it will still provide a little bit of protection. And of course, you are getting MagSafe compatibility as well. But this is the next one as well. It's got like this red, brown, orange, a little bit of tan in there. This one's actually really, really nice as well. Like I said, same exact case. You're gonna get the same amount of minimal protection. It's going to feel the same in the hand. The only difference is going to be the color. But look at how good that looks. And the same thing, you got that nice texture in the back, feels really good in the hand, really soft to the touch, no bulk added to your device. And I really like the way this one looks with my jet black Galaxy S25 Ultra as well. Looking really, really nice. And then of course, with this one as well, we do have the magnetic ring in the back. There we go, look at that. So of course we do have the matching color in the back as well. Very, very nice. Nice little accessory there. Strong magnet on this one too. But yeah, both of these cases absolutely looking good in both of these colors right here. I can definitely see myself using these cases when I'm out on a nice, maybe going out to dinner or something. I don't have to worry about too much about dropping my phone. Look at this. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments sections below. If you do find yourself interested in picking out any of these cases here from Pitaka, I'll make sure to have a link down in the description below. Now I do have to mention that I do have the pin button case here from Pitaka, but this one's going to be in a separate video because there's a little bit more to this case than just good looks and protection. We got a little bit more going on here that I would like to cover in a separate video, but interesting case over here. But stay tuned for another video for that one right there. But when it comes to the tactile woven case right here, what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment sections below. Like I said, if you're looking to pick one up for yourself, I'll leave the link down in the description below and possibly a pinned comment. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace.